Welcome to the Invoice Finance Company, the UK's leading independent finance broker. In this video, we'd like to explain why Invoice Finance is a method of funding now used by ever-growing numbers of businesses throughout the UK, and why it's so effective for funding your working capital requirements. Traditional bank lending to the UK business market is declining. Bank of England trends and lending reports have shown a consistent reduction in bank lending to SMEs in recent years. This comes on top of the policy of the high street banks to reduce their exposure to business overdrafts. As banks continue to tighten the lending criteria and the cost of traditional borrowing continues to rise, UK businesses have been forced to seek alternative methods of finance. Many businesses have found Invoice Finance to be the complete answer to their working capital funding requirements. It's a versatile and flexible funding method which advances immediate funds, boosts cash flow and even grows as your sales grow. Invoice Finance offers a wide range of benefits to businesses. It's fast and easy to set up. Directors' guarantees are generally not required. It doesn't affect other funding facilities. Fund providers are flexible with their lending criteria and importantly are keen to lend. Funding is available to boost cash flow within 24 hours of raising invoices. The funding grows as your sales grow, professional credit control is part of the service, and bad debt protection is an optional feature. So here's how it works. Invoice Finance is the name for a range of services designed to improve cash flow by advancing funds against unpaid invoices. There are two main products: invoice factoring, where up to 95% of the value of unpaid invoices can be advanced, and invoice discounting, where up to 90% can be advanced. So there's no need to wait until your customers pay. You get the funds up front. When your customer does eventually pay, the Invoice Finance Company will pay the balance less their fees. Invoice factoring is a facility where the sales ledger management is generally undertaken by the Invoice Finance Company, although in many cases this is an option. Invoice discounting is classed as a confidential facility as the borrower's customers are unaware that the facility exists. Both methods offer options such as credit checks and bad debt protection. Find out how Invoice Finance will benefit your business. The Invoice Finance Company is the UK's fastest growing independent invoice finance broker. We offer free consultations, advice and financial assessments to SMEs across the UK. To find out more about Invoice Finance, invoice factoring or invoice discounting, contact us now.